Hello, welcome to Pathway to Joy. Today we are in Irondale, Alabama. It is the heart of train soundscapes. We want to attempt to bring that sound to you today through this video. Irondale was incorporated in 1887. Growth was spurred by the opening of Ruffner Mines. 18 years later, Seaboard Railroad laid a track from Irondale to Birmingham. After the Great Depression and World War II, the town's economy began to improve. In 1952, Norfolk Southern opened what is known today as Norris Yards. Located east of Ruffner Road, the train yard is nestled below Ruffner Mountain. Its high volume made it a natural hump yard. A speed controller has reduced stallouts. About 50 trains a day move through here, including Amtrak Crescent, heading to New Orleans and back to New York. It takes a team of around 350 people working in and around the yard to keep things moving. Norris Yards sits between Interstate 20 to the south and Interstate 59 to the north. The yard is unique. At one time, it was one of only 2 Class A steam restoration locations in the United States. That shop closed in 1994. Now that you know how the town grew into what it is today, we want to immerse you in the sounds of Irondale, a symphony of steel and bells. This sound reminds me of being a kid again. Close your eyes and listen. The train is picking up speed as it moves down, folding like a caterpillar. Next you will hear 2 trains, very distinct from each other. The first one has a high-pitched air horn compared to the multi-air horn.
Guard your hearts and minds as you live in Christ Jesus.
This train is headed east toward Atlanta, Georgia. Next you will hear some sounds that are specific to a working train yard. Next, we will take you to hear some trains in the West.
Take me home, country road.
Here is a Burlington Northern Santa Fe coal train in Monument, Colorado. Notice the snow on the ground. Still in Colorado, now in Glenwood Canyon. Here comes the California's effort Amtrak train.
Glenwood Canyon, here comes the Amtrak train.
Now we will take you on an Amtrak train ride. We are back in our home state of Florida for this trip.
We appreciate the inspection. Hope you have a safe day. We'll talk next time there. Got it, man.
Ever remember hearing a train in the middle of the night? Did it help you fall asleep as you listened? Watching and listening to trains, just like being out in nature, to help you let go. A locomotive has a special place in our lives. It's different, it's powerful, it's captivating, yet somehow it takes our mind to a place of solitude. Rail fanning is a good way to incorporate train sounds into daily routines for stress relief and relaxation. But if you can't get out to the nearest railroad track, you can always watch a train soundscape video. Please share your own train soundscapes experiences in the comments below. We always enjoy meeting other rail fans wherever we go. It's fun to share experiences and learn from one another. Thanks for watching. And as always, may God bless you. Take care.